We have same date picker, same features, but completely different code. Let's compare what we started with versus what we have now. This is what we have now, a complete different architecture, and this is our V0 where everything in just single file. So we separated everything in one file, and one file handles only one thing. State manager handles state, event bus handles events, and date picker connects all of them. In our V0, we could not handle two date picker because of global variables. But in V1, we can have 10 date picker, 20 date picker. They will all work independently because each instance will have its state isolated. We created a state manager. That is how we can handle multiple date pickers. External integration. So if our app needs to know when a date is selected, in V0, we would need to open the select date and add if condition here. But in our V1, we subscribe to the state. So if the view change, we want this. If the state open, we want this. Date select, date clear. We can add these subscribers without touching our core code base. This is called open closed principle. Open for extension, closed for modification. Testability, you cannot test V0 date calculation. You cannot write the unit test for the date calculation. It is inside the single function render calendar, so you cannot write it. But in the V1, we have a pure logic, no DOM. So if we go to the state manager, this is our state manager. We have the event bus. This is our event bus, and it's working fine. Next is debugging. So if something breaks in our V0 app, we have to look everywhere, the render calendar, the select method, everywhere. But in V1, it is very clear. If the state data is not good, we go and check state manager. If event is not working, we check eventbus.js. So this is our module to complete. You now understand event bus and state manager. These patterns are used in every major framework. Next episode, we extract rendering into its own class. We'll create a calendar view.js file. I see you in next episode.